Hi, my name is Constancia with Isidora Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to sew a gun holster made of neoprene. This is the finished product. This is the belt loop, and give an idea of how it looks with the gun. Let me show you what neoprene looks like when you buy it off the bolt. This is neoprene fabric, and I want to thank Bigsy Fabric for providing us with this wonderful fabric. Now, neoprene is made of synthetic rubber. When you cut it, it is smooth like this. It does not fray. It is bonded sponge 2 millimeters thick, and it has polyester adhered to either side of it. These are my pattern pieces. This is the belt loop. I'm going to overlock it, give it a clean finish, and we will overlock this piece to give it a clean finish. Okay, so we're going to overlock. I like to lift the foot up, get a little lip in there first, and get started. I like to clip after each stitch because I once got this stuck up in the loop. That was a nightmare. I'm gonna clip this one. Okay. All right, now that looks nice. And we're going to do the holster itself. It's going to be one long stitch. Kind of tricky in the corners. Now I'm going to position the belt loop and single needle it before I close this up. Alright, so now we're going to sew the belt loop. The belt loop, you're going to place it like 1/2 inch down and 1/2 inch in from there. Make sure when you fold it, this is straight, and you see this one goes out a little bit, so this has to go a little straight. We're going to stitch across here. Now you can pin it to hold it in place, but remember to always pin in the stitches, that way you don't see it, because when you use pins with the neoprene, you actually puncture holes, and you don't want to stick a pin right there and you're going to have holes there. Okay, so we're going to single needle that across, and then we can go ahead and single needle that down. Put our handy dandy gun in there. Okay, so I'm going to sew 2 rows of straight stitch, one on the bottom and one just above that. Down here, one on the top and one just below that, so we'll have 2 stitches on the top and on the bottom. I always like to have a tail. helps pull. Do hand knots when I'm done with all this to secure all my stitches at the end. That's why I have such a tail when I cut, because I hand knot them. Nothing falls apart. That little extra time adds a lot to the quality of your product. Okay, our last one. Now, if you don't have an overlock machine, you don't have to do it. It just gives it a nice finished look. The neoprene doesn't fray, so it'll stay intact. Okay, so I gotta put all these knots in, and I'll be right back so we can finish this. Okay, so we're gonna sew this all the way around. Whoops. My foot pedal got turned around. Hold on one second. All right, there we go. Okay. Whoops, sorry about that. Sometimes you need to tug it just a little so you don't stretch it or put tension on the needle and break your needle. Okay. Now this is the completed gun holster. It's made out of neoprene. We just finished showing this right here. Now what we're going to do is one last step. We're going to add a strap. We're going to secure it here, and then we're going to put a magnetic snap right here. Here's the completed gun holster with the magnetic snap right there. Now we're going to put the belt on. My snazzy glitter belt.